These are all of Apple's official cases for iPhone 16, including with their special camera control button. Before I break down these cases, be sure to subscribe and follow along for the latest Apple coverage. Usually, Apple has two tiers of cases for the iPhone, an entry-level tier made of silicone and a higher-end tier of leather. Last year, that changed as Apple pushed toward its environmental pledge and introduced fine woven. This new material was, frankly, an unmitigated failure, as the consumer reaction was swift and harsh. Unsurprisingly, Apple quietly sunsetted its fine woven cases, leaving only a few Apple Watch bands and the official MagSafe wallets made of the material. Hopefully, those two will be replaced in time. So here we are, with Apple's only colorful cases for the new iPhone made of silicone. Technically, there are some Beats branded ones too, which are Apple, but these are the only Apple branded ones. This year's colors are Starfruit Yellow, Ultramarine Blue, Lake Green, Fuchsia Pink, Stone Gray, Plum Purple, Denim, and Black. They're available in all four sizes: the iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, and 16 Pro Max. If you're wondering, no, these cases will not fit the iPhone 15 line, and the iPhone 15 line will not fit the iPhone 16 line. Each case is made of 55% recycled silicone for the outside, and there's a soft microfiber lining that is color matched to the exterior. When you place these cases on your phone, they have this cool animation that just spreads across the display. It's a little touch that you'll see probably once, but I like it. Now, I don't have the iPhone 16 Pro in hand yet, but you can see the animation on my iPhone 15 Pro Max when I put on my fine woven case. They do support MagSafe, as you can see by this identifier here on the inside. That means it'll work with any MagSafe accessories like Apple's battery pack, any MagSafe chargers, or Qi2 chargers. There's lots of great MagSafe and Qi2 chargers. If you want to see more of them, check out the video I've linked here, which includes a lot of my favorites. One of the most unique things about these cases is that they cover the new camera control. This physical button on the phones is capacitive, so normal materials can't just cover it up like they can with the volume, action, or side buttons. It has all this crazy stuff that it does, such as zooming in and out for your photos, adjusting photographic styles, and more. So Apple is using a sapphire crystal finish on the outside, which is attached to a conductive layer, making it compatible with this button. And it's color matched to the cases that you have. But that way, the button is covered and protected, but you don't lose any functionality. It's very cool, and from what we've seen so far, basically no third-party cases have been able to do this yet. My guess is that we'll see some third-party cases down the line add this, similar to how they had to reevaluate following the launch of the Action button. Other than that, how does this case hold up? I'll be honest with all of you, I've never been a massive fan of Apple's silicone cases. Or really most other third-party cases that use silicone. It makes them like hard to get out of your pocket, like they kind of stick, and it seems to be overly easy to attract pet hair, especially while I'm trying to film. When I do use a case, I prefer leather ones or some that are made out of the alternative materials. If you're okay with silicone, these cases are fine. They feel nice, and I do like the new colors a lot. I think they go well with the new phones. And the fact that the camera control button is covered is also a nice touch that won't show up in others for likely months. If you want to try any of these for yourself, the link is in the description. Let me know if you like this new approach to Apple's cases and the fact there are no new high-end ones down below in the comments. And stay tuned to the channel because I'll be rounding up my absolute favorite cases from third parties, and if you have any suggestions to include on that, drop me a line down below. Otherwise, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video.